Good afternoon, Bluebeamers. My name is Troy DeGroot with Chapter 2, and I'm excited to partner with the team at Brighter Graphics to deliver world-class Bluebeam training and customization services so you can get the most out of your Bluebeam investment. This time around, I'm going to be showing you several of the tips and tricks I've accumulated over the last several years teaching and customizing Bluebeam Revu. Next, I'm going to go into the File menu. In here, we can actually export to a Word document or an Excel file. So I'm going to open up this building code, go back in here. I'm going to export a Word document, and I can do an entire page or just a page region. I'm going to draw a box around this region here, and it's going to ask me where to save that. I'm going to save it to my desktop. And it's going to open it up for me. I'll drag that up here, and you can see that it keeps the formatting as well. So it does a nice job exporting that into a Word document. Then I'm going to jump over into my combined set, and I can also export to Excel. So let's say we have this drawing log that we want to export. I can go into File, Export, Excel, Page region again, draw a box around my sheet index. It's going to export that and open it up. Give it a second here. I'll drag that up. And you can see that it pulled each one of those into its own cell, into a nice clean Excel file. So we can export those. And that should bring us right up to the end. I hope you've captured some good notes with these time-saving tips and tricks you can apply immediately to your workflows this afternoon. Reach out to Darren and his team at Brighter Graphics to learn more about additional licenses of Revu Extreme or the small investment of upgrading your existing seats. And as always, if you have any questions regarding training or customization services for your company, don't hesitate to reach out to our team as well.